Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an ice cream house. First, select a strong foundation, perhaps a 9-inch by 9-inch cake board to support your delicious creation. Next, gather your primary building materials, like sugar cones for the roof and graham crackers for the walls. Finally, prepare your edible adhesive, such as royal icing, which sets quickly and holds everything firmly in place. Now, let's construct the walls of your ice cream house. Take your graham crackers and apply a thick line of royal icing along the edges where they will meet. Carefully press two pieces together to form a corner, holding them for about 30 seconds. Repeat this process, building up your 4 walls. It's important to let each section dry for 5 to 10 minutes to ensure stability before moving on. With your walls standing tall, it's time for the roof. Use 2 large waffle cones, cut in half lengthwise, or rectangular cookies, securing them with plenty of icing to form a peak. Once the roof is stable, unleash your creativity. Adorn your house with colorful candies, perhaps mini chocolate chips for shingles or gumdrops for a festive door. A sprinkle of edible glitter adds a magical touch. For the grand finale, fill the interior of your ice cream house with scoops of your favorite frozen treat. You might choose 3 different flavors for a colorful surprise. Add a final flourish of decorations around the base, like a snowy landscape of shredded coconut or a path of M&Ms. Your beautiful, edible ice cream house is now complete and ready to be admired, then devoured.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.